As a Blender user, you may have encountered frustrations while working with the software's default tools and menus. Now, the limited functionality and lack of customization options can hinder your productivity, especially if you frequently perform repetitive tasks. This can lead to wasted time, inefficient workflows, and ultimately hinder your ability to produce high-quality results. Imagine having to painstakingly navigate through multiple menus and submenus to access essential tools, only to find that they do not fully meet your specific needs. The inability to customize these tools to your preferences further exacerbates the problem, leaving you with a sense of dissatisfaction and wasted effort. Furthermore, the default menus in Blender can be cluttered and overwhelming, making it difficult to quickly locate the tools you need. This constant search for the right tool can disrupt your workflow and slow down your progress. Additionally, the lack of intuitive shortcuts and hotkeys can result in repetitive mouse movements and unnecessary strain on your hands and wrists.